Assalamu alaikum. Marhaba. I am Moha. Who guys our chef cook. The Berber pizza is called in Berber Medfouna. Yes. And Medfouna means in Berber the pizza that we prepare that is cooked on the fire or on sand. There are two ways. The nomads, when they travel in the desert, they don't need to bring with them the whole kitchen, the whole material. They need to bring few things. So the Berber pizza has everything. So it gives them complete energy to travel in the desert. So I'm going to explain what it is in. There are two different pizzas. You can have a vegetarian pizza just with vegetables or with meat. So this one that we are going to have today is a complete one. A complete one means it has meat and vegetables. Okay, so it says that you can put any kind of vegetables, but this one that we are going to cook today has carrots, onion, little potatoes, and different spices that we call ras al-hanout. It's a mixture of 44 spices and some chicken meat. So she has like two pots on one each. I'm going to put all this mixture of meat and vegetables. She put first the vegetables and then the meat on top of it, because the meat needs more heat to be cooked. That's why she didn't mix it with the vegetables. Okay, she add a little flour, otherwise it will stick when she will put it inside the oven. This recipe, the way she is made it, making it, looks like panada, Spain, but this one is more flat. And the oven has to be made of the mud and hay material. So the oven should be heated at least 30 minutes earlier. Because if you don't heat it before, you will not get the pizza. You will wait like 20 minutes but like she's doing now, she's going to take the braise on one side, either to the left or the right side, and then she will put it on top of this flat oven. Inside, the material is the bricks, which are made from the mud, the local material. This keeps the heat. This oven, we can use it also as a barbecue, for meat and other dishes. Even the tagine, little tagines, they can get inside. Let's see. الثلاثة فوق شوي السياق. She try to put it a little bit on one side, because if she leave it like this, it will get burned.
Walking in the sand dunes to do that.
Bismillah. Because now the oven is very hot, so it's going to take this time. Very hot. Medfouna.
So what's the difference when it's made in the sand? How do they do that?
The difference between a Berber pizza cooked in sand, it's getting like thicker, like 2 times same size this one.
But how do they cook it in the sand? Is it just instead of doing it in
No,
the oven?
on the sand they put like a small hole, which is like 40 centimeters square. They need to put a flat stone on the bottom and prepare the fire like 15 minutes before, and then they try to put the sand, which is around the fire. It's very hot because the sand is made of little crystals, so they cover this fire with a little, let's say 1 centimeter of hot sand, and they put the pizza on it.
Okay.
Once it's cooked, you just clean it like this. No sand will remain on the pizza because the sand is made of crystals.
Yeah.
So it's not plastic.
Okay. Wow. That looks like it's almost done already.
The difference also between this bread pizza and the other one that you cook on the sand, this one, it's an oven that is fixed. That's where the nomads stays for a long time. But the other one is with the move.
Right.
So they can prepare it whenever they stop.
Hey.
مرحبا.
Okay.
Otherwise, the corner should be like this. That means that the metal is here.
Okay.
It's a sign that American are working. Let's say that Berber pizza should always be doing a little bit on the sides. Otherwise, it's not when it's not good baked. It's made into like so much egg. But when it's like this, that's a sign that it's very well. But everything which is inside is also very good cooked.
quoi?